yang today. We're here in the heart of Riverhills, situated high up in one of the suburb's newest estates. It has a stunning outlook of the mountains, one of the most modern single level homes. It offers great family living, plenty of natural light throughout, and it is offered to the market for the very first time in just under a decade. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to number 49 Sawmill Circuit here in the heart of Riverhills. Let's come and have a look. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful family home, has a floor plan perfect for great living. It's got great flow from the kitchen, living and outdoor entertainment area. It's modern, ready to move into, and conveniently located not far away from the bus stops, local schools and shopping centre. An opportunity not to be missed. I can't wait to see you at the next inspection.